How to find a woodland mansion in Minecraft. So there are two ways you could find this without using commands. So basically is just go to a dark forest. So a dark forest should look like this, and you could just explore around here till you see the mansion. And the second one is just by going to a village or to a villager, then just give them a job, which is the cartographer, and make just basically make a map for the woodlands forest or mansion. And for the method that requires a command, you just basically need to go to escape, click on open to land, make sure that allow command is turned on. So, and if you're on survival, just simply click on start land world. And once that's done, just simply open up the chat and commands, then just simply type in locate structure, just like this, and just type in mansion. Once that's done, just simply click on enter, and it will basically show the coordinates for the Woodlands Mansion. So just simply click on T again, and just simply click to teleport right here, or you could just simply type the command just like that also, and just click on enter. Now it will bring you right there. If you get stuck right here, you just simply need to wait for it to load, and as you can see, now we are inside the mansion. So we're into the mansion right here. You can just basically explore all of this right here. And that's how you basically get and find the Woodland Mansion in Minecraft.